Hello,
Our,
Mister.
our lesson today is revision. Please concentrate with me. Open your textbook. Open your textbook.
Do I have to open it or can I only look at the screen?
Lesson 1. Lesson 1.
Mr. Page what?
22.
In which book?
Textbook.
Mister, can I only look at the screen?
Why?
Mister, because we don't need it. We don't need to highlight or something like that.
Why? You don't.
No, we
don't
need to
highlight?
highlight.
Talk about yourself.
We took this lesson.
Teacher, exam will be
We
about
took
what?
these lessons.
Revision. You don't need revisions.
Teacher, the last lesson in the chapter 1 we didn't take. It's written chapter 1 revision. We didn't take the last lesson.
Which page?
The one is page.
Hi teacher, what we're going to take today? Revision?
Yes, but Mister, we do.
Teacher, today revision.
Lower your hand. Or sorry, raise your hand when you need the questions. Raise your hand if you want to ask. Yusuf Azlan.
Can I read? Page 74.
74. We didn't explain.
Can I read?
Wait. 74. We didn't explain.
No, Mister, we didn't explain 74 page 74.
74 is
We
explained.
didn't take.
How we will explain?
We didn't reach 74. We reached to only 69. Clear? 74, listen 5.
Okay.
Where it tell, listen 4. Please don't waste time now. Concentrate with me. What are cells? Organisms is a living things. Organism is a living thing. The questions, okay. The kinds of question, maybe multiple choice around 10, 9, 10. True, false around 4, 5, 6. And label the pictures. Or short answer, maybe 4 or 5. Matching 4 or 5. Maybe 25, around 25 questions. For the quiz. Around 25.
Mister,
Yes?
the quiz will be online
Online, yes.
and it will be in which day?
Maybe on Sunday, not next Sunday. Sunday after 2 weeks, I think.
And the quiz that you send it to us, it
Practical, to practice. Practical,
Which lesson?
Page what?
general.
Page what?
Which lesson, Mister?
Which lessons is the exam that you sent it yesterday at 10?
Chapter 1 all. From chapter 1 all. Okay, now cell the smallest unit of living things that can carry out the basic process of life. Define the cell. What is the function of cells? Maybe true, false, or matching, or short answer.
Mister,
Teacher, may I go up?
Where do cells come from? Where do cells come from? Cells come from other cells.
Cells come from another cells.
Yes, from other cells. Maybe short answer. This question is important for the short answers.
Mister, by dividing or
A
split.
cell divide
Divide or
or
split.
split into two new cells.
Okay. Or a cell divided or split into two new cells. Page 23. Turn to page 23.
Mister,
Teacher, may I go back?
Mister,
One
it's
organism is made of one thing.
Silent. Don't make noise. Hey, I will put mute for all. Don't make noise. We need to understand. Follow me and concentrate. A unicellular and multicellular, so important for matching. I can change. Instead, vocab unicellular, I can put multicellular. It will become false instead true. For example, a unicellular, one cell organism is made of a single cell that carries out all its life process. I can change unicellular by multicellular. It becomes false. Clear?
Mister,
Yes.
does the quiz, does the midterm exam will be in in the next Sunday or after 2 weeks?
Next Sunday. No, not next Sunday, after 3 days, maybe after 10 days. And the Sunday. Wait, I will give you the exactly time. Wait, please.
1 hour, Mister, we need.
Stay with me. Wait for grade 5. Science Sunday 25. Sunday 25 October. 25 October. Okay? 25 October.
Mister, the exam will be in Sunday, 25 October.
Yeah. For science. I
After
talk
the
about the
lecture.
science.
Did you may go back to page 22?
Mr. When?
Why didn't highlight?
You talk so much. Please. Multicellular and unicellular. Concentrate on this. Unicellular and multicellular. What is the difference? Distinguish. And so on. Page 24. Before that, 4:22. Half minute to put highlight. Some student asked me to return page 22. Please do the highlight before we are move to the 24. Adam Al-Hurani.
Yeah, Mr. When will be the exam?
25 October, Sunday. Lower your
Thank you,
hand.
Mr.
Lower your hand, please. Yusuf Ahmad. Do you have a question?
Teacher, the midterm exam will be about what lessons?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay,
Lower your
thanks.
hand, please. Lower your hand, please. Yusuf Ajlan,
Yes, Mr.
you have a question?
Is the exam in Coursera a normal exam or the midterm?
Normal exam, and online, true, false, multiple choice, short answer, matching, label the photo, label the chart, label the blank. Yeah. Okay, now page 24. Concentrate with me. Label the photo. Label the photo. Cell membrane here, cell membrane, put highlight, cell membrane definition highlight, flexible wrapping code. Yeah? Label the animal cells. I can give you pictures. You have to put the vocab in the box. Nucleus, cytoplasm, vacuoles, mitochondria, cell membrane. What is the function for vacuole? What is the function for nucleus? Cytoplasm, where is the cytoplasm? Mitochondria, cell membrane. Here, many vacuoles, many small vacuoles in the animal cells, but in the plant cells, only one big vacuole. Cytoplasm, what is the difference between animal cells and plant cells? You have to distinguish between the both. Yusuf Azlan,
Yes, Mr.
do you have anything?
No.
Lower your hand. Ammar Khalid,
Yeah, mister. I have 3 questions.
yes?
The first question, the exam will be online or at the school?
Online. I told you 5 times the exam online. It's clear. Please lower your
Okay,
hand
so
to continue our lessons.
it will be on Sunday.
25 October on Sunday. Okay. Lower your hand.
But then on Sunday it will be at which hour? Which hour?
I don't know. You'll find it in the class here.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome. Now the cell membrane control what materials move into and out of the cell. Page 25. Page 25. Cytoplasm. Gel-like liquid, cytoplasm. Support all the cell structures. Mostly made of water. This information for true false, it's so important. Nucleus, define the nucleus and what is the nucleus functions. What is the nucleus functions? Control center? No. Control centers. The nucleus. We can see it by microscope. had the master wait a little, the battery for mouse is off. Wait, please. Transfer, put highlight. Just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute, please. Technical issue. Now it's okay. Okay, now we can move to the mitochondria. Mitochondria. Mitochondria provide the cell by energy by breaking down food. The function of mitochondria provide the okay, vacuoles store water, food, and wastes. Next page. What's inside a plant cell? Plant cell and animal cells, so important. The picture, so important. Label. Label the pictures. Label the following diagram with word from word box below diagram. I can give you these diagrams and you have to label the diagram. Vacuole, nucleus, mitochondria, cytoplasm, all this vocab. طارق يوسف. طارق.
Yes, Mister.
Do you have questions?
Yes,
Or-
Mister, what is the plant cell make?
Make food for the plant. Make food.
Mitochondria, what make?
I want to ask you these questions. We explain this. Mitochondria supply the cells by energy. You have to study it. We explained before all this information, yeah? Thank you. Lower your hand. Lower your hand. Now we are going to page 27. Cell wall. Cell wall. Outer covering around the outside of the cell wall. Plant cell have central vacuole, only one big vacuole. Provide extra support. Chloroplast able to use the energy in sunlight. True, false. Important for true, false. Chloroplast is a green structure. What is the difference between animals and plants? Plants make their own food structure inside their cells. Called chloroplast. Can you change the color? Plants make their own food and structure inside their cells. Page 28. Distinguish between cells, tissue, organ system, and organisms. Cells form tissue, tissue forms organ, organ altogether form organ system. Cell, the definition of cell. Similar cells working together at the same job or functions form a tissue. Group of tissue work together to perform a specific function for an organ. Now your heart, tissue or organs. I'll choose Omar al-Basha. Rayyan Fadi.
It's organ.
Yes, excellent, perfect. Your heart is organ. Now, organ system. This vocab is so important. Organ system, yes. Some organ systems work together with other organ systems. As we said, maybe 10 multiple choice, maybe 5 true false, maybe 5 short answers, and around 5 matching. Around 25 questions. Page 29. All the questions in the end of the lesson is so important, especially multiple choice. Multiple choice is important. Number 4, number 5, number 1, so important. Concentrate. Page 29. All the multiple choice in the end of lessons is so important. Don't let any questions. Silent. Please don't make noise. Page 34. Page 34. How are organisms classified? Classification, the definition of classification. Kingdom. The broadest group of an organism is classified into as a kingdom, species. The narrowest, distinguish between the narrowest group and broadest. Distinguish between the narrowest group and broadest group, largest group, kingdom and species. So important, species and kingdoms. Yazid,
Yes, mister.
are you put highlight?
I got highlighted from last time.
Okay. Page 35. Page 36.
Can I read, mister?
No. Today, only revisions to gain a time.
I didn't read science from the first period we take. I didn't read anything.
Okay. Now read. Okay. Wait a little. Just a minute. What are animals? Yes.
What make organism in the animal kingdom different from organism in other kingdom? Animals are completely multicellular plant. Animals are the only kingdom that include one multicellular organism. Two other kingdom, fungi and protists, have both unicellular and multicellular species. Animals do not have make their own food.
Okay.
Plants
How fungi and protists have both unicellular and multicellular. This is for true false. Please concentrate. What is the difference between animals and plants? Plants make their own food by itself. So important for true false. But the plant can make their own food. Animals don't make. Plants can make.
They make their own food.
Plants can make their own food.
Fungi.
Fungi. Fungi is animals or plants?
Fungi.
Yeah.
Fungi. Fungi. It is plant.
Plant?
Fungi.
Study hard. Study hard. Plant cells have cell walls.
Also plants.
Animals cells don't have cell walls. Distinguish between the both. Plant cells have cell walls. Animal cells don't have cell walls. There's the big difference between animal cells and plant cells. Okay. Vertebrate and invertebrate. What is the big difference between vertebrate and invertebrate? Vertebrate, animals with the backbones. Invertebrate without backbones. Important for short answer. Important for short answer. Vertebrate will include the mollusk, echinoderms, and arthropods. Important for fill in the blanks or short answers. Echinoderms include sea stars, sea cucumbers, and sea urchins. Page 37. Arthropods are the largest invertebrate phylum. I can change, maybe the arthropods are the smallest invertebrate phylum. It becomes false. Now it's true. If I change the largest by smallest, it will become false. Arthropods includes spiders, crabs, and lobsters. All vertebrates belong to the phylum Chordata. This question is so important for short answer. The phrase or the sentence, all vertebrates belongs to the blank. Fill in the blanks from your memory. Animals in this phylum are called chordates. I will change the color to be clear. All vertebrates have a backbone, nervous system, and brain. mammals, vertebrate, dogs, horses, kangaroos, and humans. Next page. Cell walls. Organs from only two kingdoms, plants and fungi. Always have cell walls. Plants and fungi cannot move from place to other place. I don't have true sense organs. This is for true false. Vascular and non-vascular. What is the big difference between vascular and non-vascular? Vascular means contain tubes or vessels. Non-vascular plants don't have vascular tissue. Non-vascular plants tend to be much smaller than vascular plants and close to the ground. Fungus kingdom. Most fungi get energy by breaking down dead or decaying plants. Fungi can live in almost any dark and wet place. Many fungi are used by humans. Yeast, it's useful. Make the bread rise. It's used for medicines, antibiotic. Last page 40. Last page 40. Divide into kingdoms, bacteria and archaea.